This is the Orashare OHL01 LED rechargeable headlamp, a compact, hands-free light made for repairs, outdoor use, camping, emergency situations, night walks, and simple tasks around the house. My name is Azlan and welcome to Guide Station. In this video, I'll go through what's inside the box, the main features, how it feels when worn, and whether this headlamp is worth considering. Opening the box, you get the Orashare OHL01 headlamp, a Type-C charging cable, the instruction manual, and the stretchable band for the headlamp. The package is simple, but it includes everything needed to start using it. The first thing I noticed is the size. This headlamp is compact and lightweight, so it's easy to keep in a bag, toolbox, car, drawer, or emergency kit. Since this is worn on the head, the weight matters a lot. A heavy headlamp can feel tiring after a while, but this one is small enough for everyday use. The Orashare OHL01 uses a high brightness LED, which gives you a clear light when working in dark areas. This is useful when fixing something, checking equipment, walking outside at night, or during a power interruption when you need both hands free. It also has 3 light modes: strong beam, medium beam, and low beam. The strong beam is for situations where you need more visibility, while the medium and low settings are better for close-up tasks or when you want to save battery. For power, this has a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery. The lighting time is listed at around 6 to 20 hours depending on the brightness mode, and the charging time is around 4 hours. It charges using Type-C, which is convenient because it's easier to charge with cables most people already have. One of the standout features is the motion sensor switch. Instead of pressing the button every time, you can wave your hand to control the light. This is helpful when your hands are dirty, wet, or occupied while working. The headlamp also has a 60-degree tiltable head. This allows you to adjust where the light is pointing without constantly moving your head. The headband is adjustable and stretchable, so you can fit it comfortably depending on your head size. You can also adjust it if you're wearing a cap or if someone else will use it. It has an IPX4 waterproof rating, so it can handle sweat and light splashes. I wouldn't recommend submerging it in water or using it in very heavy rain. Now I'm wearing the Orashare OHL01, so you can see the actual fit. The band sits securely around the head and the light stays in front. It doesn't feel too bulky, and since it's lightweight, it's comfortable enough for regular tasks. What I like about this headlamp is that it gives you light while keeping both hands free. Compared to holding a flashlight, this is more convenient when you're fixing something, organizing things in a dark area, walking at night, or preparing for emergency use. The main things I like are the rechargeable Type-C charging, bright LED light, motion sensor control, 3 brightness modes, adjustable headband, tiltable head, and compact design. The only thing to keep in mind is that this is still a small rechargeable headlamp, so if you need something for heavy-duty professional lighting, you might want a larger option. But for everyday use, home repairs, camping, walking, and emergency situations, this is practical. If this looks like a good fit for you, you can grab the Orashare OHL01 through the link in the description. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below where you would use this kind of rechargeable headlamp.